Morning guys, Jeff Tate with Estait Construction. We're here with another update on our Cripple Creek project here in Highland, Utah. So last time you guys saw this house, we had footings. Now we've got foundation walls have been poured. We've done all of our waterproofing on the exterior of the foundation. Window wells have gone in. Today we're pouring all the concrete slabs in the basement, patio level, and garage. The lumber just showed up. We should be able to start framing here into this week. A couple of things we've had to coordinate on this build. Number one, we moved around one of the furnaces to be a little more efficient with heating and cooling the house. So we had to add a drain on one side of the house. One of the other things we really like doing on this house, we dropped down the mechanical room. So the mechanical room is where the water heaters are gonna be, the electrical panels, water softeners, a water filtration system, furnaces. So you've got mechanical items that are draining into the floor system. We like dropping that down in case there ever is any issues with water not draining. It's got a form around it so the mechanical room sits a few inches lower than the rest of the basement slab. Here in Utah, we have a lot of snow, a lot of vehicles pulling into the garage with snow dripping off of them. You can see the slope on this garage. It's got a pretty good slope on it. It's about 2% slope, and really you need about 1% slope for water to move out on concrete. We like to push that to 1.5 to 2% slope to ensure that we're not gonna have any puddles in the garage, and it's gonna have a nice slope for everything to get out. One of the things that's really important to us is excavation work, and that's one thing we self-perform. Just on this job alone, you've got the dig out, the over excavation, backfill, all of the concrete prep. You can see down here, we've got a drain system for the patio that drains out. We've cut out this entire area. That's gonna be the retaining wall system that we'll perform here in a couple months. But that's one thing that we control. On previous jobs, that's been really hard when we have an excavator that might not show up one day. And we don't know when they're coming back because they had to go to another job. We've had our own guys here every single day moving this job along. We control it, and it really helps us move along quickly on the job and keep things moving. That's a quick update here on Cripple Creek. And if you're ready to start your project, go to estateconstruction.com and reach out.